It's easy to share a website with clients to get their feedback with BugHerd's Share link. Go to your Websites and Files tab, select the site you want to share with your clients, and copy the link here. You can then share this link with clients in the way that works best for you. In this example, I'll be sending this through Slack. So what's the experience look like for your clients? Let's take a look. Your clients can simply click on the link you've shared. If you've got the JavaScript installed in the head of the website, they'll be able to click on this link and be taken directly to the website. If you don't have the JavaScript installed, they'll be prompted to get the browser extension that works for them. And then they'll be dropped straight into the website. No need to create an account or log in. We've got a few prompters here about how to leave feedback. They'll be able to leave their feedback, and we'll request their name and email so you know who left you feedback and can message them to follow up. And that's how easy it is for them to leave feedback on the website. They'll be able to leave as much feedback as they want without needing to add their name and email again. So when you're ready to have your clients review your website, send them the share link and make it really easy for them to leave feedback.